Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to access Do Not Disturb on any iPhone. So if your iPhone does not have a home button, you're going to find the top right hand side of the screen and you're going to slide down with one finger. If your iPhone does have a home button, you're going to slide up from the bottom, you're going to slide upwards, okay? And then from here, we're going to be into the control center. So you just want to find where you see focus right here. If you don't see focus, then that means you're running the older iOS software. That's okay. You will see this toggle instead of a little like night icon. Tap on that one, it will turn on Do Not Disturb. Tap on it again to turn it off. If you long press on the Do Not Disturb toggle, you'll see these options right here, and then you have a schedule option in settings. Now if you're running the newer iOS firmware, you have a bunch more options. So you see the night, just tap on the night icon and it will turn on Do Not Disturb. Tap it again to turn it off. If you long press on focus, you'll see the Do Not Disturb itself. Tap on it to turn on, tap on it to turn off. You have the triple dots, so you'll have the same settings as the older OS, okay? So you can have it on for 1 hour till this evening, etc. If you tap on settings, you can now go to the settings and you can customize Do Not Disturb. So you can have notifications which will be allowed, okay, in your iPhone 12 mini. So you have people, so let's say contacts, and then other apps you want notifications to still work on. Focus status, so let's say someone's trying to message you in the Messages app. If you have Do Not Disturb on, you can have person's name, Alf, which is my name, has notifications silenced. Okay, so if you want to share the status, you can have that on, otherwise you can turn it off. You also have home screen, so you hide notification badges. So you can see right now, check the badges, 474. When I turn on Do Not Disturb, all the badges disappear, okay? Go back to here, you have custom pages. So if you turn this on, you can select certain pages on the home screen to be hidden while Do Not Disturb is on, if you would like to. And you have the lock screen options, you can dim the lock screen, so it will be easier on the eyes, and you can also show silence notifications on the lock screen as well. You have the schedule options, so you can add a schedule, and you can go to existing schedule, you can either turn it on or off, and you can customize it right here. The delete button will also delete the schedule as well. So with that being said, thanks for watching, see you guys later, bye bye.